Hi, I'm Cindy.
And I'm Tina.
Today we're going to show you another recipe that you can use for meal prep.
Today's meal.
Today's meal.
And you would never, when you hear what it's called, you would not think it's low-cal. So it's Chicken Parm Sandwich.
Yeah.
Does not sound low-cal, and look at this picture. Woot, woot. Does not look low-cal.
It looks scrumptious is what it looks like.
One sandwich is 418 calories, 326 carbs.
No. 326 carbs!
32 grams of carbs, 12 grams of fat, and 42 grams of protein. These are all very high in protein.
Yes, they are, and I love that about these recipes.
They're pretty high in protein. So, the whole thing is 500 grams of chicken breasts. We have chicken tenderloins.
Yeah.
We like to be rebels. We don't want to follow exactly the recipe. Let's get started. So first, we need to season the 500 grams of thinly cut chicken breast with oregano, pepper, salt, and garlic powder. 500.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, we got enough.
you sure?
I think we do. Look at that.
515.
500.
Go.
So we need what? Tell me.
Oregano.
Oregano.
Go.
Oregano.
Mwah. Chef's kiss. Oregano. This is obviously.
What color is oregano? It's not showing up on the chicken.
Well, I think you need to. It's not even coming out.
Yeah, it is.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's not enough. This one. Cindy is a much better cook than I am, believe it or not. See? You don't even see anything on there.
You still can't see much.
You can. All right, oregano. Good enough.
Oregano. I
We have
think
to
we
do
need
both sides,
more oregano.
but-
Alexa, add oregano to the shopping list.
I love
Okay.
Alexa. All right, after oregano. She didn't hear you. Oh,
did.
okay. He, sorry, she's got a he. Right, Alexa. All right, pepper.
She identifies as a him. Oh, pepper? Okay.
Elena has one of those.
I love these things.
What do you call it?
So
Electric
fancy.
pepper and salt shaker?
An electric pepper and salt grinder. Yeah. Okay. that's
Might
all.
have to get one. Salt.
That comes out
and
a lot faster because I don't have grainy salt.
garlic powder. Now we have to do the same thing on the other side. All right, now we got to do this. Add the 3, put that to the side.
Okay. Aye, Capitan.
Add 3 cheese corn thins.
Okay, so we don't have cheese corn thins here. Well, I guess we do, but it was going to take 2 weeks to get them.
So we don't have them here.
Maybe they're coming from Australia. I don't know.
Maybe they are.
So I just found the closest thing that's not rice cakes, and that's corn crackers.
Corn thins.
Whoa.
All of them.
I'll do that much.
Okay.
We go by recipes, but we don't.
Cindy doesn't know how to work her own blender.
It's been a while. Okay. I don't know. I honestly, what? Freaking.
Just try it.
Okay.
That's how you do it.
Whoa!
What?
I just felt like something was wrong, but maybe not. Maybe not. I think that's good, right?
Well, there's still some big chunks in there.
Okay, that's good.
Good enough.
Now
All
then. Can I get it off? Yes, I can.
Oh, it says to blend for 1 minute.
Oh, that's been
And then
about
pour the mixture onto a plate.
Okay. Okay.
And we might have some left over.
Yeah.
Better to have.
I'd rather have
Too
it
much
left
than
over
too
than,
little.
yeah. 5 or 6?
Well, 2, 4. That would be 4. Oh, 8, 2, 4. Jeez.
2, 3. I'm gonna do 5.
I was gonna say that doesn't seem like enough. Oh, we made a mess on the table.
Oh well. Oh, how long do we cook them?
Oh, hold on. 25 minutes at 200 degrees. Oh, no. 190 for
Air fry?
15 to 20 minutes.
Air
yeah.
fry?
Yeah. It says air fry at 190 degrees. Wait a minute, Celsius.
Oh, Alexa, what's 190 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit? Like 4 something. Here. Ah. Nicely toasted.
All right, we're toasting the buns. Cindy is toasting her buns. And we need 125 grams of chicken per each one. That's why we're wearing red today, because Cindy's hot.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if you're going to be able to fit 2 on every one. We're going to have some left over, remember?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have some left over, so we won't have the...
Is it good?
Very crunchy.
Ooh. And not too much spicy stuff
No,
in
like
it.
you thought it was going to be. A little bit more.
It doesn't seem like it's very much sauce, but I mean, you don't want it drowning in it, I guess.
20 grams of mozzarella. Ooh, that's a lot.
Oh, yummy.
Goodness.
Wow.
I guess I should have just gone up to 40. So they kept counting by 20s instead of... Goodness.
I know.
So I guess then you can, if you don't have a blowtorch,
You could put them in a toaster oven.
or a microwave,
broil them.
or yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, broil them. That might be nice. Without
Yeah.
the lid on lid.
without the top on, yeah. Yeah. Okay, these look really good.
But I don't want to taste it.
No, I don't want to taste it either.
I'm bringing it home to my hubby.
This is our dinner tonight.
Yep.
But these would be great. Wait, how many calories? 418 calories, which is not bad for a lunch.
No, it's not bad for any meal.
No, well, no, it's not. And 42 grams of protein.